All right, guys, welcome back. Monique Irons, makeup artist and founder of Mento Beauty and Supplies, joins us now to showcase her shimmering body products designed to help your skin glow. Because, you know, in Jamaica, it's always summertime, even though we're kind of in the winter period, but it's really summertime, right, Mon?
Right.
Welcome, my darling.
Thank you so much.
And welcome to your lovely model, Lauren. Lauren, can I just wave to the people? Mon, oh my gosh, I was asking you earlier on about this description of you. It says here that you're an educator and professional makeup artist, and you're telling me that in addition to teaching makeup, you're actually a real life teacher in a classroom.
Teacher, yes.
Yeah.
I'm a visual arts teacher trained at the Jamaica University College. And,
wow.
Trained artist, always loved everything art.
Yeah. So. And you teach graphic designing at this time?
Teach graphic design, painting, everything. So
becoming a makeup artist kind of have a seamless transition, right?
It was.
Yeah, because you're always creating characters from day one.
Right.
And painting faces and all these things, right?
Yes.
Okay, so was it during this time that you decided, okay, makeup is where I'm headed?
I started back in college. It was just a way for me to kind of differentiate myself from everyone. So while everyone was coming in first year, not wearing makeup, I was wearing makeup. Mm-hmm. And it just always has been a way for me to kind of express my own individuality and kind of just stand out. And then I started doing face painting as I started learning to paint at school and all of that. So I started out in special effects, actually.
Nice.
And then transitioned into bridal. And yeah.
Okay, I'm about to ask you about your style of makeup, but looking at yours, I'm thinking it's more on the natural side, because as close as possible to your natural look, and you accentuate that, right?
Right.
Okay. You see, I'm getting you guys.
You get me,
I'm observing you, seriously.
You get me.
So that is the style that you go for?
Yes.
Okay.
Just a natural, radiant. It's all about empowering women to kind of just embrace their natural features and just be like the goddess that you are.
Yeah.
You know? So I always come from that angle.
Well, you're about to make Lauren into an even more beautiful goddess, because she's already extraordinarily gorgeous with that lovely skin. My gosh. All right, so walk us through the process now. Using your products, Mento Cute. We don't have much time, so I'm getting it started. What are you doing? Right,
all right, so now I'm just using my hand palette, and this was created to help makeup artists not get your hands messy. And I'm gonna be using my face and body brush.
Okay.
Just to show you guys how the coverage of this brush.
Oh, that's interesting. I've never seen a brush like that before. By the way, is that product that you're just using on her face, is that your product?
No, we don't have any complexion products.
Okay, what are the products that you do have?
So we have setting sprays, body glow, lip gloss, cream blush, lashes, and tools.
Okay, and tools.
And then I'm gonna build my way up right up there, Debbie.
Okay, all right, I get you. So hold on, so this brush that you're using is actually yours?
Yes, it is.
Oh, yes, it's there. Branded and everything. All right, continue.
This is my face and body brush. So this was designed for body glow to actually help you apply the product to your body. But because of the contour in the brush, it really does help on the face as well. So it helps to apply makeup in these areas, your cheeks and, you know, on your forehead, it just contours.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Lauren is so gorgeous. My God. Lauren don't even need no makeup. She's so gorgeous. But this product has definitely enhanced it. I love how agile that brush is as it's contouring her face. I love it. One of the things, though, you know, Mon, that you always hear is that the brush absorbs the product. Does this brush absorb the product a lot?
No, it doesn't absorb the product a lot. And I would recommend that you put the product on over and then use the brush to blend. But, you know, we have people who do things different. You know, sometimes you just want to do freestyle.
All right, cool. All right, well, educate us, my darling. You just put on the foundation. What we're doing next?
Right, so now I'm going to just put on some product under the eyes, and I'm going to be using my puff blender, which is our favorite product. This is actually a tool, or what you'd call a powder puff, but it's really velvety and soft and fluffy, so it's gonna help us to blend that makeup on the face.
And this is the one that I'm holding up that you're using, right?
Right.
Okay,
that's
there you go.
Small one.
We're seeing it right there on the screen.
Right.
And as you can realize, guys, all her products are branded with Mento Cute, and it doesn't kind of impede whatever you're doing, right?
No.
Yeah, it's placed well. So this is just some highlight under the eye.
Yeah, so we're just applying some cream foundation because Lauren has dry skin.
Okay.
And I'm all about the glow. So of course, I'm not gonna apply anything that's gonna dry her out anymore.
Okay.
So,
all right, I want to just get into some of your products. While you're doing that, let me help you out here. You have something called the Illuminate Hydrating Glow Mist for all skin types. I'm guessing that you put this on all over your body, maybe?
this is actually a setting spray.
Oh, it's a setting
So
spray.
if you just give it a shake, Debbie,
okay.
then you'll release that magic.
Ah, oh, I see the magic in the bottom.
Right.
Okay. I love this. And you seem to have something here for all skin types, though, Laura. Monique, this is so nice. This is very, very nice. Okay. Oh, and I see the glow happening here in the bottom.
Yes, yes.
This is nice. All right, you have this other one. It's so, okay, so you have this one is platinum.
Right, so therefore
This is
different complexions,
coffee.
right?
Yeah, the other one is honey. And this one is just body glow.
Yes.
So the body glow is for the entire body.
The body glow is for the entire body, and that's just a lot of skin nourishing oils that are mixed together. They smell really good. And of course, it's gonna make your skin really, really soft and glowy. I'm gonna show you that in a second.
Okay.
All right, so now that I've applied that, I can show you what the body glow looks like. So you wanna give everything a shake.
Oh, wow.
And we are a solar powered brand, so of course in the sunlight or in light, you know.
You say you're a solar powered brand.
Solar powered brands. I'm all about, you know, the sun.
Oh, look at that transformation.
Right.
My gosh. Lauren, your skin turn up, girl. Wow.
Right. So all my products fall under, well, these products fall under two major collections. It's Illuminate and Radiate. Right, so I'm all about the glow. That basically what I'm going.
Is gorgeous.
Right.
My gosh.
So this product stays on, it comes off with soap and water, but this oil is just gonna allow your skin to just be really, really moisturized. It's very soft on the skin. You can apply after shaving and things like that. It's really soothing. Right out the shower, date night.
Yeah.
You just want to go out on the road and want some, you know.
No, you are, trust me, you're after this interview, you're not going to have hand to sell because that glow, that instant glow a while ago.
Gorgeous.
We saw that. We saw that live right here on TVJ.
Gorgeous.
Okay. Now, this is also your Cheek Dew Cream Blush. So this is the blush that you put on to the skin.
Right,
yeah?
right.
How many shades do you have in these?
These are just available in 2 shades for now.
Okay.
But we are working on that, on expanding.
All right, as you're applying it to Lauren's skin, we are just about out of time. Where can we find your products?
All right, so you can find me on www.montocubebeauty.com.
Okay.
You can find me in store at Vivian's Beauty and Supplies in Portmore. You can find me at A&E Makeup World in Montego Bay.
Hey.
You can find me on caribshopper.com if you're in the US or Canada and want to purchase. That's where you go.
Yeah, real businesswoman. You
I
have
try.
the whole island and the world covered. I love that. Congratulations on the brand, my darling.
Thank you so
Lauren, you're
much.
absolutely gorgeous, darling. She's look on the skin. Monique Irons, that's the name, guys. Makeup artist and founder of Mento Beauty and Supplies. More on Weekend Smile right after the break. Put on the blush on the lady's skin. Like we see it, man. Sure. I see you pausing. Put it on.